Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing only what you will actually use, one notebook or a single app and a pen. Once ready, skim the syllabus for 3 objectives so you know where to focus. This primes your brain. Start a 5-minute pre-class review to recall prior knowledge and set expectations. Then, write the lecture title and date at the top. This creates a retrieval queue. Do this quickly. Small upfront work makes every subsequent note faster and more useful. You now enter the core of note-taking. Capture only what matters. Listen for signals like key or important and write a short heading, then 3-5 keywords beneath it. This maintains context without full sentences. Use consistent shorthand and symbols to speed things up, arrows for cause, equals for result, abbreviations for common terms. Leave a clear right margin, about 1/3 of the page, for clarifications or examples you'll add after class. This keeps you finished by reviewing your notes within 5 to 10 minutes. This is when connections consolidate and gaps appear. Use the right margin to expand keywords into one-sentence clarifications or to write a quick 3-question recall quiz. Once done, convert headings into a brief summary at the top so you can scan later. If something is unclear, mark it with a question mark and note the slide or time to revisit. This troubleshooting step prevents confusion from piling up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.